Okay, what are you gonna play?
Understand by Metallica, but there's a wa.
Okay. Ulit? Wow, ang galing! Aliw! Nakakaaliw! Wow, rockstar! Bravo! Uy, Nio, bagong technique yan ah. Tawag dyan.
Tapping?
Ba? Tawag dyan? Anong tawag? Ikaw na nga lang, Romy, ang tawag?
Tapping.
Ha?
Tapping.
Tapping! Tapping!
Don't post it.
Ay,
My shorts are my
hindi
inside.
kita shorts mo hanggang t-shirt na shot ko.
Okay.
Yan, tapping. Galing ah. Wow, nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, tonight is March 5, 2023, and what are you going to play for us?
Heaven knows I'm miserable now by the Smiths. Now
Heaven knows I'm miserable now by this minute.
I haven't really fully learned the song and not that well, but I'll try my best.
Galing. Ang galing mo na to kasi maano ka na yung body mo, yung head mo, yung may ano tag na groove, no?
Yeah.
Galing. Proud of you. Continue playing. 1, 2, 3, go! Wow! Feb 11, ang galing. Sige nga, ako talagang magaling ka. I-play mo nga to. Baby guitar mo. Wow! Nice! Nice, bro. Congrats! Thanks, Romy, sa pagturo.
Mistake there because
Right now.
I tend to make
Self-taught,
mistakes.
self-taught.
I tend.
Go. Galing eh. What is that piece?
Nothing.
Oh,
Just chords.
you're composing?
No, it's just chords.
Chords.
Look, I just did
What's that?
D,
D,
E minor,
E minor.
and then G, and then A.
Nice.
Yeah.
Proud of you. Kaya future. And here's a birthday boy. Wow. 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 Ulitin mo nga ito. Tan, tan, tan. Yun nga, yung kanina. Gina mo. Yan nga, gawin mo. Yun. Yun. Galing. Galing. Galing ng birthday boy. Self-taught. birthday! Dun, 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 dun. Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
We love you, Daddy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dad. I love you.
2, 3, go.
Okay, so tonight I am trying to learn this music and song sa guitar. It's called Lost Stars from the movie Begin Again. Trying to learn the chords tonight. F. Please don't see just a boy caught up in dreams and fantasies. Please see me reaching up for someone I can't see. Take my hand, let's see where we wake up tomorrow. This late land sometimes are just a one night stand. I'd be 10 cupids demanding back his arrow. So let's get drunk on our tears and then I refrain. God, tell us the reason you're this way, says don't